Hi, my name is Emmy. I'm from the Structures Department and I'm the 2023 Accumulator Structure Part Designer.
Hi, I'm Veronica from Pomera and we're proud to have been supporting Monash Motorsport for over 10 years now.
So we primarily use Formero for fire retardant printing of our accumulator container parts, specifically those within our segment structure, particularly in the clamping structure.
In our collaboration, we have provided an array of cutting-edge 3D printing technologies, each tailored to meet the unique demands of motorsport applications. We started with only SLS and then we expanded our offering to MJF and FDM. This versatility has enabled us to address the complex requirements of race car components, ensuring they're not only lightweight, but they also possess the necessary strength and heat resistance.
So our accumulator container is our battery pack for our car, and primarily we use Formero for the fire retardant prints within our battery pack.
The technology that we mostly use in this year's car design is SLS. This powder-based technology provides a wide range of materials that boast high temperature tolerance, fire retardancy and durability, making it an ideal choice for critical parts in the racing industry.
Formero allows us to meet competition standards and also achieve a really high quality of print as well.
At Pomera, we pride ourselves on being true partners throughout the entire product development cycle, from the prototype stage up until production, with the advantage of having the largest in-house 3D printed facility in Nunawading. We ensure not only quality but also speed. In partnership with Monash Motorsport, we're not just printing components, we're shaping the future of motorsport technology.
So in light of our design changes, Formero has been really accommodating and provided invaluable advice, and we'd really just like to thank them for their continued support, and we look forward to working with them in the future.